Hi everyone, it's James here at YNC Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe. Firstly, I will just say I'd like to apologise if there is any wind noise in this walk around video. I've just come outside today to do this one. I may have to do this from time to time, obviously during these little bit of different times. I'm just trying to keep everyone safe, including the customers and staff. So obviously if I can come outside and allow people to be safe inside our showroom, I will do so. However, onto the vehicle itself, as you can see, it is finished in the black sapphire metallic, and it's not always such a bad thing to bring vehicles outside, as direct sunlight and being outside, it shows them in their natural light, which is where BMW paintwork really stands out the best. So the exterior, we've also finished that off, of course, with the full YNC Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. You'll also see it is a 2016 66 reg. Alongside that, we fitted the stunning 20-inch M4 style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. And as you can see there, as the sun glints and hits them very nicely, they're finished in the jet black bi-orbit. Again, another nice touch on this vehicle is the gloss black air breathers down the side. We've got the satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars on this vehicle. The interior on this car is the black Dakota leather, which, as you can see, is a very special place to be. Alongside having electric lumbar adjustment option, it's also got the heated seats in the front. And of course, we'll check out the rear seats, which on the 4 Series you get a very nice Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest and centre storage tray. And again, on this 4 Series it also has the privacy glass option. And we'll make our way round now to the very rear of the car, where, as you can see there, we have got the high gloss rear boot spoiler, high gloss rear diffuser as well. And I'll open up the boot and allow you to take a look at the luggage capacity, where, as you can see, just how large that boot space is. A very surprising space for a lot of people when they come to visit us and take a look at a 4 Series coupe. And of course, owing to the fact that it has got the split folding seat option, of course that can be made even larger. Closing that boot down now, we'll go around and I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, not before showing you off the lovely 20-inch alloy wheels once again. Once I'm sat inside the car, we will be able to go through a bit more of the functions and features, of course. So straight away you're greeted by the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, which houses all of your entertainment and sat-nav needs, of course. We'll also start the car up and we'll go through some of these functions and features. So as you can see there, we get DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, AUX, and of course other ones including USB, Bluetooth audio. In terms of Bluetooth, not only do you have the audio aspect, you also have telephone options as well. There is the nav screen, and if we click to the very home screen, we'll go ahead and quickly take a look at the vehicle service status and service requirements. 12,000 till next service. And we have also got full BMW service history on this vehicle as well. Dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats as well. The vehicle also comes with the very highly thought after and absolutely incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with these lovely flappy pedals, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all once again situated on this M Sport steering wheel. So as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video of the 420D M Sport Coupe. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments. Well, we'll of course be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, down below in the description there will of course be all of the relevant contact information, so you can find out prices and finance options for not only this car, along with all of our other vehicles. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you very, very soon here at YNC Car. Thank you. Goodbye.